because I don't want you to be jealous of certain people. Emmanuel.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman, Etan?
But it up, so you mean people don't know say about Yaadman, Etan, and guess what? We're there for the first time in New Orleans for the New Orleans Caribbean Festival. We're there the first event. Well, my first event there, the Splash Pool Party. Boom.
All I want is real good vibes. All I want is real good vibes.
Sing, so boss, what's your name and where you from?
I'm Anthony from Virginia by way of Las Vegas.
Grand Hustle, New Orleans.
My name is LaStoya, and I'm from Louisiana. I'm from Houma, Louisiana.
Oh, so you from Louisiana?
Yes, I'm from here.
So how you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking.
What's your name and where you from?
My name is Reka, and I'm from Dallas, Texas.
Hi, I'm Lakita from Maryland.
What's your name and where you from?
Lanika from Maryland.
I'm Denise, I'm from New Orleans. I'm from here.
Madam,
Mister.
we meet again.
Of course.
Can you open a New York and hide from me?
See ya.
True. Give me a wine now.
Hey, we don't do that.
You see what she has to tell me? Is this your first Caribbean event?
In my first one, my second one.
Your second one.
Yeah.
So you've dipped your toes in the pool of, you know what?
A little bit.
A little bit. So how you like the vibe?
It's pretty good. It's
Pretty good?
better than what I thought it would be.
Better than what you think it would be. Okay, all right. So here's what I'm trying to settle right now, right? Who do you believe of the Caribbean have the best accent, the most attractive?
I would say Trinidad.
See, experience a Trinidad girl already? Yes. And you like it?
Very much so.
Eat it up like doubles and roti and all them things.
Sensation.
Oh boy. So you from New Orleans? Yeah. All right. So is this your first Caribbean event?
It's my first Caribbean event. One of my business partners is from the Virgin Islands. So he's always listening to reggae and all that type of music. So
Understood.
So I'm kind of familiar with it on slick, but you know, I love it.
All right, so I'm trying to settle something right here, right now.
Okay, settle something.
Okay, all right, cool. Who do you think has the most attractive Caribbean accent of the Caribbean?
New Orleans women.
New Orleans women? Seriously?
Yes. You haven't experienced it yet?
No.
Okay, you need to experience it while you're here. Where you from?
Jamaica.
Okay, you need to find you a New Orleans woman while you're here. Then you'll see what I'm talking about.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Hear that, people? I have to find one New Orleans woman. How you enjoying yourself here? Is this your first Caribbean party?
No, it isn't. It's my first New Orleans experience for Carnival.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what type of Caribbean parties are you used to?
Miami, because that's where I live at.
Do you know which Caribbean country was voted for having the most attractive accent?
The most what?
Attractive accent.
The most attractive accent?
Yeah.
I'll probably say Trinidad.
And you were correct.
That shit, you for real.
I'm so serious. But I want to know your opinion. Who do you believe? Because I don't believe that. Who do you believe have the most attractive accent?
Here in New Orleans.
In New Orleans?
Yeah.
What does that sound like?
I mean, here in New Orleans, baby. You heard me?
Yeah, that kind of different to me. That sound a little bit spicy and thing. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. That one is so nice. You're from Dallas, Texas. So what are you doing here tonight?
I make the costumes for the carnival tomorrow.
Okay, all right. So you made the costumes. So you have experience, of the Caribbean culture.
Absolutely. In Dallas, Texas, I have a mass band called the Socoholics.
Oh, okay. All right. So here's what I'm trying to settle right here, right now, right? Which country do you believe has the most attractive accent in the Caribbean?
They're going to hate me for this. Jamaican.
Turn it up, bucket!
A Jamaica where come from. See it there? Yo, we get one from Jamaica. So is this like your first Caribbean event?
Yeah, very first. Yeah, first time.
Oh. So how you like it?
It's amazing. Seeing all the flags from all the countries.
How you like it?
It's a different experience, but I like it. Just seeing everybody come together and everything. It's pretty cool.
This is pretty nice, right? First time experience.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll come again. And we'll be at the Caribbean all white tomorrow too.
Okay, all right. So I'll see you there. So here's what I'm trying to settle right now, right? I need to know which Caribbean country do you believe has the most attractive accent?
I'm gonna say Trinidad. Trinidadians. I don't know.
You don't know. You have to
Where
pick
are
one.
you?
A Jamaica I come from.
Where are you?
A Jamaica I come from.
You're Jamaican? You're
Yeah.
from Jamaica?
Yeah.
Right, Jamaicans then.
Where is Jamaica? So you like the jerk chicken and festival?
Yes. It's so good, yeah.
See, so she like the jerk chicken and festival, and you like the curry goat and roti. All right, understood. Thank you, ladies, so very much. Oh, so you're from here?
Yes.
So are you used to Caribbean events? This is my first time in New Orleans. Is it me? So like, I'm not used to being in New Orleans, but I live and breathe Caribbean.
Yes. What was the question?
A Jamaica me come from.
Where did I come from?
No, a Jamaica me come from.
Oh,
I am from Jamaica. Yeah.
from Jamaica. I hear it. It's beautiful. I love your accent.
Oh, thank you so very much. Because guess what? This is exactly what I'm about to talk about right here, right now. Someone me want to settle right now. See? I need you to tell me which Caribbean country has the most attractive accent.
Caribbean country. Is it Nassau? What is it called? No, I went there before to Freeport and
Bahamas.
the Bahamas.
So you saying that the Bahamas has the most attractive accent to you?
Yeah.
So what about it so attractive to you?
Where are you from? Where you from?
A Jamaica me come from.
And I think that's the best accent.
And you think that Bahamas have the best one?
I think
So you like, what them call it?
No, you have the best.
Oh, me have the best one.
Yeah.
So just a while ago, me just changed your mind.
You definitely just
See
changed
there?
in my ear. You just changed
So
my mind.
so in your ears, but just have a whisper, little bit, and then I hit that, your brain gone. You see that? She let you go understand me say a while ago, is it? See that? So just a while ago, you went from
Totally changed my mind.
you went from conch salad to jerk chicken and festival.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much.
Somebody make some noise for money. Touch, bring it.
Hey, all my ladies, put your hands up in the air if you know you're looking good. Hey, if you want to win it, don't stick now. Take control of it. Don't stick now. Yeah.
She up in New York, I hide from me for 5 months, you know.
So long. I said.
Oh, I see. You see what she did with me? So how you do? Everything good?
I'm great. I'm amazing. I'm hot. That's Emma.
So why you been hiding from me in New York?
Why are you telling people where I'm located?
Why you hiding from me for 5 months?
Working
When we gonna work together again?
soon. This weekend.
This weekend?
This weekend.
You sure?
Yes.
You're positive?
I told you that before.
All right. You sure?
So I stick into my word.
All right, you're sticking to your word. All right, I have the ring light and everything ready. All right, so see it here. Right, so 2 things I'm gonna ask you. One, I'm gonna want to drop from you from a nice, proper microphone. You make sure see Nola Black man touch it before you. Is it me? Yeah, it's official. It's my face right and all these things. Make sure see Nola touch it before you. Is it me? I was hoping that you'd be the first one, but
Oh, please.
boy. But me, I do, you know my usual thing. Is it me? I say so. Here's what I need to know from you, right?
Yes.
So quick and fast, boom. Who have the most attractive accent in the Caribbean?
Trini.
Why are you sticking to doubles?
Because that is the truth. You ask me a question, I tell you my answer.
I know you like jerk chicken, you know.
Huh?
I know you like jerk chicken, you know.
I'll go for that eventually.
What?
I said I would go for that eventually.
Eventually.
That's not my first choice.
It's not your first choice.
No.
You see what's going on here, ladies and gents? All right, you know what? My dear, can I please have a nice and proper drop? And you know what? Because I don't want you to be jealous of certain people, Emmanuel, may I have a drop, please?
Sweetheart, I'm sorry you
Yo, it's your favorite girl, Emmanuel, picking up Yaadman, Etan, cuz if you
jiggle. Make me do the jiggle. Hey, brother, let me see if you all know that part. Why is it this one? What is it?
Oh, you mean people, I don't know your boy Yaadman Etan, and we're wrapping up Splash out here in New Orleans, the first of the many events we're going to deal with out here in New Orleans. See me I say? So we're going to do this again. You see me I say? And this time we're going to get a non-biased opinion. And we're going to show us say, is actually Jamaica of the best Caribbean accent. You see me I say? I joke me I make. I actually believe Trinis do because them have me weak a certain way. You see me I say? But listen man. Yo, we're out. More events coming to you. Nola Caribbean Experience.